Wow! Thunder. It's thundering. The wind chime. Oh, it's starting to rain. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. What's that? Oh, I'm getting. Oh, no. It's starting to rain again. Oh, nice. It's raining. What? It's rain. Rain. Rain.
Feels good.
Yeah. Feels like we're in the shower. Wow. Okay, I'm getting my phone wet. Oh, drop last. Woo! It feels good. Yeah, I guess I have to hold it. So I got my phone wet. Oh! Oh my goodness! I'm scared. Oh my goodness! Look at that road. That road. Look at that road. Wow. Oh. Look at that. Looks like it's flooding. Oh. Oh. It's raining. Flood. Flood. Look at the road. It looks like it's flooding. It's supposed to be a flash flood. Oh!
Garbage cans falling over.
Oh no, it's the strand. Oh, look at that water. Look at that. Look at that. That's a big flood. That looks flood. Wait, can I stay outside to film this?
No.
Can I stand next here? Look at that. That is sad. I got wet. The phone got wet too. I hope there's no tornado warning. Yeah. Yep, temperature dropped. Whew. It almost feels like it was a shower. We took a shower. Wow, look at that. It's flood. Oh no. Oh my goodness. It's just like the flood. Look at the sidewalks. The sidewalks. Oh no. Wow. Yeah, if you have the weather like this, do not go outside now because right now it's 4:20. I went out there to feel the rain. It wasn't raining when we got out, but now when we went back in, it wasn't raining when we were outside, but when we got outside, it started raining and thundering and wind. I hope there's no tornado. Wait, hold on. I can't. I wish I could do that. I'm not allowed to open the door now. The wind. You know what? I don't know. The window's still open. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. I forgot. It's raining. You know, every time when it rains, you have to shut the windows, cause oh no. No. Wait, let me show you. I'll have to shut the windows because thunder and you don't want to flood your house. So, and you don't. Also, do not touch the windows while there's a thunderstorm. Okay. Okay. I don't want this to flood. Oh no, the back of the pan is wet. Put this on the floor. Oh no. Oh, come on. There. Whew. At least it didn't flood the house. I totally forgot. Because, you know, when you don't shut the window, you get water in the house. And, yeah, so, and you also do not want to touch a window while thunderstorms. Because it will shock you and then lightning. That's a bad idea. Do not go outside either. Because it was struck. You get struck. You get. All of my wind chime is blowing. It looks like that's a flood. Yeah, it looks like it's flood. It's trying to. It's. Oh, that one was close. Me make sure we don't get tornado watch, because you know sometimes it can actually turn to a tornado watch, and check the conditions are right, and if it's not right, then there's a tornado warning. Oh my goodness! Look. I don't want to get flood. It's okay. We're not gonna get our house flood. You know this. There's a flood advisory, heat advisory, flash flood watch. Flash flood warning. Yeah. I'm glad we made it in here in time because now the floor of the porch is wet.
Sure you can. She's young for her.
I hope this.
Personally, someone to trust, you might know.
What are you saying? Things that we may have a witness. There's so many. She said that Maddie didn't feel scared. She received calls. So we're just one. Not family, friends, anyone, right? No, we just moved from San Francisco to North last year because of the crime. But I thought New York was going to be safer. Can't imagine it. No, you can't. My daughter.
Oh, that was the storm. Oh my, look at that. Oh, is that the porch? I can't tell. Hi. I think that's the porch. Yeah, that's the porch. Yeah, that's the porch. Wait, I can't. No. Yes. I can't. Come on. Okay. If we actually get damaging, if that one actually, I hope the power line doesn't not fall down. We don't want to get another power outage. If we do get a power outage, then I can't be able to go on YouTube to upload this video. Oh wow. Yeah, on Wednesday, there was a tornado watch. There was a thunderstorm warning first, and then it turned to a tornado watch. Then guess what? It turned to a tornado warning. So we had to go downstairs. So it's just always Mother Nature. I don't know who's pulling in, and I don't want to be on the video. I'll just wait till you leave. Which one? I'm not going to leave. Max. He's looking out the window. Max, it's raining. No. It's weird.
She's looking right up.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Huh, it didn't work. Do not knock down that power line. Same as you. Ooh! Oh my goodness! Oh, that is a loud one. Oh. Hey Max. Hey Max. Hey Max. Tornado. There's no tornado. Max, it's okay. It's okay, Max. Max, it's okay. It's okay, Max. It's just a flash flood warning. It always happens every single chicken wing time. Wow, look at that. That is not cool. That is actually real. Oh my goodness. That sidewalk is getting like flooded. Oh my goodness, that driveway, the end of the driveway is flooded. Wait. It's more likely to continue to 9 o'clock. Don't be mobile. It's continuing till 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh, wind chime. Oh no, the wind chime. Oh no. Mom, my wind chime. It went on the. I hope the wind blows it back down. Marky, do not open that window. Mom. The window was open. Yeah. The back of the bed. The air signal like I think that's when one adventure walks on Earth. You know when thunder, when you like do this in slow motion, that's a thunder. And every time she walks, she makes more thunder. I think she's actually walking. Oh, like a giant.